Goods and Services Tax, India's most significant tax reform since independence, has marked 8 successful years since its implementation. Introduced by the Modi government on July 1st, 2017, GST aimed to streamline the tax structure and ease the process of doing business by consolidating over 17 central and state taxes into a unified system. This transformative reform brought to life the vision of one nation, one tax, one market, fostering great economic integration across the country.
ये जीएसटी काउंसिल केंद्र और राज्य ने मिलकर के उन व्यवस्थाओं को विकसित किया है जिसमें गरीबों के लिए जो पहले उपलब्ध सेवाएं थी उन सारी सेवाओं को बरकरार रखा है। दल कोई भी हो, सरकार कहीं की भी हो, गरीबों के प्रति संवेदनशीलता इस जीएसटी के साथ जुड़े हुए सब लोगों ने समान रूप से उसकी चिंता की है।
As a key pillar of Digital India, GST has played a vital role in bringing small and medium enterprises into the mainstream economy. The service sector and MSMEs have especially benefited with improved ease of doing business. Prime Minister hailed One Nation, One Tax as milestone in India's growth, stating it as a landmark reform that reshaped economic landscape. Prime Minister Modi said that GST has greatly improved the ease of doing business, particularly for small and medium enterprises. He added that GST is fostering true cooperative federalism by making states equal partners in this journey to integrate India's market. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman termed GST as a powerful engine for economic growth while fostering true cooperative federalism by making states equal partners in this journey to integrate India's market. After the implementation of GST, the number of taxpayers in the country has more than doubled. Before 2017, only 65 lakh people were connected to the VAT system in the country, whereas after the implementation of GST, 80 lakh new taxpayers have been added to its ambit. The average monthly GST collection has increased from 90,000 crore rupees in 2017 to more than 2 lakh crore in May 2025. The average GST rate has also decreased from 15.3% before 2017 to 12.2% in 2023. The trade between states has now increased from 23.5% of GDP to 35%. Currently, petroleum, alcohol, and tobacco remain outside the scope of GST. Most of the initial technical flaws have been largely addressed, and the industry is optimistic that a new appellate system for resolving GST related disputes will be introduced soon, further easing the way for business. Tripti Tripaঠি's report for Duty India.